YouTube fam, long time no see. I think I am just not a YouTuber. I'd say I'm a part-time YouTuber, or let's say casual, because I feel like every time I post a video it's a life update. So if you want to see more about my life, make sure you follow me on Instagram. It's really bright here. Yeah, feel free to follow me on Instagram so you get updates every day, because I'm really good in posting stories there. But yeah, I thought I'd give you a little update about what's been happening, what I'm doing, about my life in New Zealand, and let's go. Okay, I put my camera on a tripod and I think this light here is better to talk to you guys. So yeah, what's been happening? As some of you know, I started my own business. I started it last year, but I've kind of did it like next to my job at the gym and never like 100%. And then earlier this year, yeah, I started doing it full time, and it was the best decision ever. I love it. I just love working for myself whenever I want, and it's so amazing. If you don't know what I do, so I am a social media manager and help businesses to level up their social media. JLS socialmediamanagement.com, that's my website. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, so that's JLS social media, I share a lot of free tips and tricks there, and I just love meeting new people and helping businesses to level up their social media. And Instagram, or like social media, is a free tool, and I tell my clients every time, you'd be silly if you don't use it for your business. So yeah, I love it, and it's so cool to meet like-minded people, to work with business owners, and yeah. But one thing I've learned since working for myself full time, you work 24/7, because there's always stuff you can do, and because it's your own business you love doing it. But I really try to draw a line and don't work on the weekends, which is kind of hard, but I really realized I need that. Like, I have to try and draw the line and don't work on Saturdays, Sundays. Sometimes I work on Saturdays, but then I really try not to do anything on Sundays, because that's why I chose to work for myself, so I can choose what days I work. But as you guys know, I love to hustle and I love to keep busy and get things done. So sometimes things can't wait for the next week for me. They can, but I can't just let them sit there. But I'm learning, and it's a learning process. And if you want to be successful, you have to hustle. I thought I'd share a little bit about my routine at the moment, because I'm working from home and I could basically start in the, I don't know, in the late morning, or I could start whenever I want. But I'm an early bird. I'm an early bird, so I love getting things done in the morning. That's also when I'm most productive. But I still get up earlier to take like an hour for me before I focus on my clients. And what I do then is of course have my coffee, good stretch, and I write in my journal, and it really helps me and like to set the tone of the day. I love to write down my affirmations for the day, my goals. And I actually started this journal, my old one was full. I started this one just in May. But yeah, I really recommend to journal. I say this every time. And yesterday I took the time. I'm not going to show you because it's really personal, but I did like a mind map and scribbled like everything. Like, it looks really, I'm just going to show it from further away. It looks really busy, this page, because I wrote down everything that I want to attract into my life, or all the feelings, how I want my life to feel like. And it was like a meditation for me, because I was just laying in bed and writing everything that came into my mind, like about like my wedding one day, how I want my wedding day to look like, how I want my life to look like, how I want my how I want the life of my children to look like, and all these things. I wrote everything down and I was like feeling it, and it's the law of attraction, I tell you guys, and manifesting your dreams. And I just love doing this, and I can really recommend to everyone to have a journal and to block one day in a week where you really just manifest your dream life. And while saying dream life and my life and all that, I thought I'd give you an update about what Jules and I have been doing. Oh my god, who's that? Oh my gosh, bless our neighbors. So I've ordered new stuff, so I wanted to show you guys our guest rooms, and I've ordered new things, and I've missed the courier this morning, and they put like a note where the door is, and the neighbor just came by to tell me that the courier left the note and she thought it was blown off by the wind because it's really windy today. But I got the note. But it's so cute that they like take care and like nosy neighbors and watch what's happening in the neighborhood. Anyway, I wanted to show you guys our guest rooms because, oh my god, I'm so excited that my family's gonna come over, and we have now a space where they can stay. So we have this room here, which was kind of like it's still a little bit of everything. So this is my old bed that I had in my old flat, and we're gonna definitely get rid of this, and we want to put like prints up there, make it all look really homey. More pillows, definitely, heaps of pillows. Yeah, so this is gonna go away, and then I've ordered this one, a second one that will go on this side, and then we have a bake. So fun fact, I'm just gonna turn this around. Fun fact, I had a lot of my clothes in this wardrobe, so I had to get rid of a lot and also fit it in drawers in my wardrobe. So there's still some, you can see there's my pink coat in there, so this has to be empty, of course, to make space for visitors. And let's go to the second one. So this is the queen size bed here, and then I ordered a bed case, and I got this Ecosa mattress. You might have seen it in my Instagram post. So this is a really comfy mattress. So here we're gonna, it's kind of another big bedroom, put like a king bed in here. We sold this one side table and I ordered 2 new ones. That was in the parcel I've missed this morning. I might just turn this around, or maybe I do it like this. So this is also my office here. Of course I'm gonna clean that up. So this is a little bit messy right now. Here's my heater because I always get cold. Here is, I had to put my computer higher and also further away. It's really messy right now. I have to clean this up. Oh my god, I'm actually embarrassed showing you my office space. I really have to clean it, and I know that on Monday, it's Saturday today, and I know that on Monday I'll be freaking out and I'm gonna clean everything because I need a clean office to work and to focus. Also, here is the washing pile that I am ignoring to fold. Just thought I'd show a little bit more, just a little bit more reality here on YouTube. I'm filming this for YouTube, not Instagram. Yeah, so I actually think I'm gonna go to Kmart or Warehouse now to get more decoration for the guest rooms because I love that. I love doing that. So I might take you with me. Just me buying heaps of pillows. Okay, so it always takes me so long to figure out what kind of sheets we need, like fitted sheets, and then there is like flat sheets, duvet covers, because in Germany we only have like fitted sheets and duvet covers. We don't have the sheet in between that you have in hotels, but in New Zealand you do. So I didn't get everything I wanted at the warehouse yet, so I'm gonna stop at Kmart. It's on the way home anyway, and good excuse to go to Kmart, you know. Oops. Success. So that has been successful. As you can see, I put all the pillows in this room. Now I'm gonna wash the sheets of our bed and get rid of, clean up a little bit. I just feel like today is a day where I want to get ahead of things. Like I said, I always want to get shit done. So yeah, I'm gonna clean up our bedroom now. It's about time. So yeah, I thought I'm gonna stop this video here, but before I stop it, I actually show you guys my perfume. I don't know why it's next to my bed, but first of all, it looks really cool, and it's one that I can really recommend. Yeah, I just thought I let you guys know. I think it's called Bad Girl, Carolina Herrera. Yeah, really yum. Anyway, I'm gonna stop this video here because it's probably not that interesting seeing me doing the washing and then put new sheets back on. It's always like a workout. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching and hopefully see you soon. Bye.